In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells. If you are working in Google Sheets and want to prevent important data, formulas, or headers from being changed by accident, locking cells is a simple and very useful feature. It helps you keep certain parts of your spreadsheet protected while still allowing other areas to remain editable for collaborators. To get started, open your Google Sheets file and navigate to the sheet where you want to apply protection. Once you are there, highlight the specific cells, rows, or columns you want to lock. Be as precise as you need here, because the protection will only apply to the range you select. This is especially helpful if you want to protect formulas or titles, while leaving input fields open for editing. After selecting the range, open the Protect Range menu. The quickest way to do this is to right-click the highlighted area. Then choose View More Cell Actions, and then select Protect Range. If you prefer using the top toolbar, you can also click Data and then choose Protected Sheets and Ranges. Both methods take you to the same place, so use whichever feels more natural to you. Once you do that, a sidebar will appear on the right side of the screen. In this panel, you'll have the option to add a description for the protected range. This step is optional, but it's a good habit, especially if your sheet has multiple protected sections. For example, you might label it something like a formulas area or a section that should not be edited. Clear descriptions make your spreadsheet easier to manage later. Next, click Set Permissions. This is where you decide how the protection should work. You'll see two main options. The first is to show a warning when editing this range. This doesn't fully block edits, but it does display a confirmation message before someone makes a change. It's a good option if you want flexibility while still reducing accidental edits. The second option is to restrict who can edit this range. If you choose this, you can limit access so only you can make changes. Or you can use a custom setting to allow specific collaborators to edit while everyone else is locked out. This is the best choice when you need stronger protection for important content. Once your permissions are set, your selected cells will be protected based on the option you chose. That's all it takes to lock cells in Google Sheets and make your spreadsheet safer and easier to manage. Thanks for watching.